Hi, this is Jamie McCoffna. The purpose of this video is to provide you with information about the informal feedback form that the instructional leadership team will be using during classroom visits. The video will show you what that form looks like, and it will also serve as instructions for how to see the feedback that you've been given. This is the Google form that the instructional leadership team will be using to record information during an informal visit, and it will also be the way that we get that information back to you. So all these fields will be filled out, but here's what you really want to know. What are we looking for? So this is just a very basic form that highlights our non-negotiables. Not all of these fields necessarily have to be entered during a classroom visit. So if something is left blank, that doesn't mean that we don't have a comment for you. It means that it just wasn't looked for on a particular visit. So the questions are: classrooms are neat, orderly, and up to date. Classroom leaders actively facilitate student learning. Learning objectives are appropriately rigorous and posted in student-friendly language. Students always have meaningful work to complete. We use every moment of available learning time. And we seek evidence of student learning throughout the class. And then there's an area for general feedback, glows, grows, and questions. So the next question you probably have is, well, how do I get that feedback? And the answer is it will go straight to your Google Drive. So you will go to your Google Drive, and if you go to the recent section, you'll find a document that will have your name here. It won't say Jamie McCoffna, and it'll say feedback on, and then it'll have the date and time that the form from the observer was submitted. So we'll go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. So this is just an example. This form has been filled out as if Miss Nava had came in to observe me on December 15th at 1:30. So you can see that there are things in purple. Those are the fields that Ms. Nava would have entered in this feedback form for me. So this is what it'll look like on the teacher side. So you'll see that the non-negotiables are listed again, and the feedback is there in purple. You'll see that there's general feedback. You'll see that there was not any information entered for grows and questions, so there's no data here in the Google Doc that is in your drive. So you won't be receiving an email with all of this information. Rather, it'll be stored on your drive, which will save space in your email, and you will be able to see a history of feedback all in one place. You'll see that I've been testing this out in several different places with my name, but it will obviously have your name when it is in your drive. If you have questions, please let us know.